Welcome back to another video in the Powerhouse Garage. Today my car is sounding like a Subaru. This is sounding like a Subi. It could be the two things: injector, coil pack. I'm gonna check the coil pack first. Let me turn it on. Let me pop the hood, turn it on. Hey, what's up? What you gotta say to the channel?
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notifications.
Say it again.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notifications.
Hey, there you go. Alright, so I popped the hood. Let me start it. And you're gonna hear the Subi. There's a little misfire, but I'm pretty sure it's the coil. Alright, so this is the coil pack that when I unplugged it, it stood the same. So I feel like this is the one that is bad. And let me remove this 10, and I already got a coil pack. Here's the new coil, and let's see. Let's just see if that was our problem. So, moment of truth. Let's see if it was the coil pack. So I got an injector problem. I guess I gotta clean them out. I'm gonna clean them out and we shall see from there. Alright, we are going to the track. So I'll see you guys there. It's early, gates open at 7. I'm about an hour away and it's 6 right now, so I'll see you guys there. Look who I got with me. So it's time to go. Track. There's a line to get in. It's still early, it's 7 o'clock. But we're here. We'll take in and hopefully we get to hit a few runs today. Alright, so we made it to the staging lanes. Oh shit, what's the super doing? This shit is about to hit me.
What the fuck is that ramp doing?
I don't know, there's a long line.
Going on there.
Yeah.
So what's on that side? Oh.
Thank you. Damn, 14-0. I ran a 14-0. We gotta do that again at 107. I'm gonna get back in line. So I'm back in line. I'm letting the car cool off, and the bikes is running. Once the bikes go, then street cars go again. And Gene pulled up in the Challenger. How did it look? How slow did it look?
You took off good, but then I don't know. Did you
I missed third.
I was.
Fuck that. Thank you. I ran a worst time. Oh, 14:05. I am running the same thing, 14:0 at 104. Slow for a minute. I don't know why it didn't want to go into gear. I ran a 14:05 at 104 miles an hour, and my 60 foot was a 2.5, and the other run it was a 2.4. So I'm gonna go see Gene race. I'll record a couple races, and then I'll get back in line. I'll let the car cool off for a couple minutes. There's a whole lot of cars tonight, and there's no prep event. It is a no prep event. Oh man, it's definitely fun though, taking the car to the track and enjoying it. We're here. Gene is gonna run, and I'm gonna record a couple cars. Hey. Hey. Yeah.
Hey, you parked it?
Yeah. Yep. Alright, so I just made it home from the track. I ran a 14.0 twice. I missed a gear on each run. I think I'm low on training fluid. I'm gonna change it. Get some Honda transmission fluid. I definitely need tires. I need tires. And I got some goodies for the RSX. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.